welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at Steven Soderbergh's new film called Blackback. In his approximately 35-year career, director Steven Soderbergh has made more than a handful of remarkable films. Although he occasionally takes a break, but he still remains a highly prolific filmmaker. This year he has two new releases, Blackback and Prudent. The latter is a horror film and both these films are written by David Koepp. Blackback is a gripping and entertaining spy thriller that showcases Soderbergh's distinctive style. The film features an exceptional lead duo of Michael Fassbender and Cate Blanchett, who portray a married couple, George and Catherine. Both work for the British intelligence agency and appear to be deeply in love until complications arise. As a spy thriller, Blackback combines the intellectual depth of a John le Carre novel and the romantic tension characteristic of a Hitchcock film, a director not typically associated with romance. The film successfully balances style and substance, a rarity in cinema these days. The narrative quickly gets to the heart of the matter. In an opening single shot reminiscent of the iconic Steadicam sequence in Goodfellas, George receives a list of 5 names. One of these individuals has betrayed the country and is linked to Severus, a program that could endanger thousands of lives. Among the names are 4 of his colleagues and the 5th one is his wife, Catherine. George's loyalty to both his country and his marriage is put to test. As a composed and sophisticated agent, he employs his unique methods to uncover the truth, starting by inviting all the suspects to dinner at his home. He secretly adds a chemical to the food that lowers inhibitions and compels honesty. As the evening unfolds, secrets begin to surface. Among the guests are Zoe, played by Naomi Harris, the agency's official psychiatrist, and then there is Clarissa, played by Marisa Abela, who oversees satellite operations, and there are 2 other male agents as well. It soon becomes apparent that 2 of them are not only involved in an affair, but that one is also cheating the other. The dinner sets the stage for an engaging game of cat and mouse, with all the participants striving to outwit one another. The primary emphasis is on the married couple. Is Catherine truly a double agent who has betrayed both her nation and her spouse? The narrative revolves around their relationship as much as it does around the espionage thriller elements. All questions are addressed and the crucial aspects of how, why and who are skillfully unveiled. The depth of characterization contributes significantly to the film's impact alongside the dramatic tension. George is portrayed as an exceptionally composed yet astute individual, clearly proficient in his profession. He repeatedly asserts, "I don't like liars." Catherine is aware that he is up to something and stands her ground resolutely. Both vow they would go to great lengths for one another. They even swear that they'd kill for each other. Pierce Brosnan makes a brief appearance as the agency chief, playing a pivotal role in the unfolding events. Fassbender and Blanchett form a remarkable duo, both seasoned enough to extract every nuance from their character and then some more, making this a very delightful outing. With lots of style and lots of substance, Blackback is truly a delight. I'm going to go with 4 out of 5 stars for this new Steven Soderbergh film. Well, that's what I thought of Blackback that was released this week. Do let us know what you think. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.